Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and I am here today in the Coronado Springs Gran Destino building. It's the tower, and I'm going to show you a one-bedroom suite. Let's go take a look. Here we go. We have the king size bed. I'm moving quickly because I am with my colleagues. We have full mirror here. You have closet area with barn door. This is nice. We have our robes. We have our steam iron. Very beautiful view of the lake. Gorgeous fountain. And then look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Here is your master bath and your toilet. This looks like an ADA handicapped accessible room. Excellent. And we've got a rain shower there, H2O bath products. You've got your seat here, which is great. And look at your marble. You can put your chair under here, which is great. You've got a lowered makeup mirror and your H2O bath products. This is gorgeous. Love it. Love it. Let's see the accommodations here. Oh yes, your right here, your hangers are down lower, which is nice. And this, open this up. And your safe is down here as well. Very nice. Love this. And here's your living room. This is awesome. You're gonna have the table here. Okay, and then we've got the living room here, and then we've got our TV area, and then coming on down here, we've got our refrigerator, and then you have your closet, extra pillows. Lovely, lovely. Perfect.
Double tackling narrower.
Here's your fold-out queen sofa sleeper. I'm not going to have time this time to pull it out, but that will sleep 2 more guests. And then we have a half bath here. And here is your beautiful mirror area, and perfect. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to follow all my travels. I can't wait to serve your family. See you real soon.